beautifuls, welcome to my channel. My name is Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am unboxing my Izzy and Liv brown sugar box. Yay! So this is the box for the month of January, guys. And if you're not familiar with this box is a lifestyle box that is curated for black women, and a lot of the products are from various other brands, as well as Izzy and Liv has its own brands. And the box costs $39.99 plus shipping and handling. I think that brings it to about $45.99 maybe in total, and if there's taxes where you live, then plus taxes. But this box I get, I love the fact that you can pause your subscription on this box. You can restart it. You can skip months. You have full control over your subscription, which is the best part of this box. And I've been getting it for years, and I'm just sharing with you what I got in my box. So let's get started. Now, guys, there's one product that was outside of the box, so I'm going to show you that first. Guys, look what came. They had the laptop covers. So I'm going to take it out of the packaging. I don't know how much it costs yet. We'll figure that out once I open the box and we check the little booklet. But dude, isn't this cute? Like, you can put your laptop in here. I thought that was so neat. I've never received like a laptop cover, and I mean, dude, that is like so helpful, like to get something like this. And then it has all the little pretty brown girls on here. It is so cute. I thought this was so neat. I've never seen Izzy and Liv do this before. I think this was like awesome idea. So let's get into this box and see what the theme is. But I thought this was outside of the box. I will show you guys this first as well. So let's see what the theme for our box is in here. So again, this is our pretty little box here. Woo, guys, look. Sneak peek, sneak peek, sneak peek. So, guys, our box does come with a little magazine. They put it in every single box every month. It gives you the theme, and since we're in January, it says, what is this? The New Attitude Edition. Yeah, so this is the New Attitude Edition. So guys, when you get this, there's various amount of information in here. The first two pages are generally dedicated to what's in your box, how many offerings of different colors or sizes products come in, and generally the value of your box is listed here. So every box does come with a t-shirt. When you get your membership, you do submit to them what size you are. So when they send you clothing products, it's always based on the size that you already have registered with them based on your subscription when you signed up. So this little laptop cover we have here, it says Tech Divas laptop sleeve. This is $25. I thought that was nice. And you could have got one of four based on what our pictures are showing right there. So I thought this was so dope. This was such a great idea to give people laptop sleeves. Very useful, always could come in handy, especially if you're working or you're traveling or you're on the go or however you live your life. But I thought it was awesome. So that was a great one for me. So let's get into our next products. So guys, the first product out of our box that I'm showing to you, this is the Gold Digger To-Do List Set. This has a $12 value. How do I get this thing open? Oh, it got it all taped up. Hold on. Okay guys, I got it out of its packaging. So we have a two notepads here. So this is a set. Again, this is $12 value. I do like the fact they have magnets on the back. So if you need to attach it to, I don't know, refrigerator, file cabinet, if you still use a file cabinet, you have that option. But I love it, like how it has our little brown girls on here. I can't wait to use this at my desk at work because I work from home. It says, the verbiage they gave us, it says you're busting with ideas and ready to hit the ground running with your new goals. Not so fast. Did you write them down? To keep those big ideas from slipping away, you'll receive two notepads, one ready to hang on your fridge and one on your desk. So I thought this was an awesome idea with everyone reflecting on the new year and their resolutions or goals that they would like to accomplish. Very useful. I like this. So let's move on to our next product, guys. Oh, now this one here this has got me. So look, we got a budget binder, like an envelope system. So if you guys are into like Dave Ramsey or like any kind of the budget people, they tell you about the envelope system. So I'm going to pull this out of here, but this has caught me off guard. I can't believe they gave us this. So it says Cash It Out Budget Envelope Planner, and this is a planner system. So this is a $20 value, guys, and it feels like it's leather. I don't know if it really is leather, but it does feel like it's leather. This is what the back looks like. This is the front. And you pop it open. And this is what it looks like. And I'm going to just flip some pages. And there's little sections for your budgeting. Like if you guys are trying to go down to like just carrying cash and budgeting out how much you're spending on certain items or for gas and all that stuff, this is a great tool to do that. They also have like the names on them. So for your emergency fund, you can put your little cash in here. Your entertainment, so however much money you budgeted for your entertainment, you can put in here. I think this is so great for the top of the year to help people who trying to get their finances in order. I think this is a wonderful idea. You have miscellaneous, and you can pretty much just budget out your check based on what you need to take care of, your shopping money. And this is a great way that you don't go over budget. But I love that they gave this to us. How awesome. I've never seen them do this before. I think this is like so awesome. And there is some empty paper in the back for you to write some things on. So I thought that was great. And it has a $20 value. I think this is really great for $20. And it does appear it just came in this one particular design. There was no other designs. But this is great for helping us with budgeting our money out for the new year. Love it. Love, love, love this. So our next item, guys, they're getting us all together, aren't they? Our next item, because it's January, you know you need a vision board kit now. So this is the Dream, Believe, Do vision board. It has a $22 value. I've never seen a vision board kit before. So inside it says this is supposed to come with 3-in-1 vision board, dry eraser, foldable, decorative. You get some sticker sheets, motivational stickers, 6 markers, and a step-by-step guide. I'm going to open this up so I can show this to you. Is this some great ideas here to set the new year off together. Vision board kit. Okay. So guys, you do get some instructions. These are the markers that you get. And look at the vision board. It folds. They said it was foldable. Isn't that neat? And so they give you like a packet of stickers here too. This is the first page here. And then this is the next page here. How neat is this? And here. I think this is so neat. I'm going to flip to the middle to show you a little bit more. I think this is so neat. Like, I mean, how on point with the new year. To start you off, you got you some notepads. You got your envelope system for budgeting out your money. You got your vision board to get your visions together right for the year. What you plan to accomplish and how you going to get there. What a great idea, a vision board kit. I've never seen that before in a subscription box. How dope. I think that's a dope idea. I really am liking this month's box. I'm here for it. So this again had a $22 value for the vision board kit here. And last but not least is the shirt. So let's pop it out. And guys, I get a large in this shirt. So this is our shirt right here. And you guys get to read what it says first. I haven't even read it yet. It says, protect your peace tea. All right, protect your peace. I like that. I like the color too. You had 4 choices in the color, and that was in this section right here. And the tea has a value of $25. And it says on here, peace is non-negotiable. So protect it at all costs. Say it with your chest. Say it with your chest, girl. Say it with your chest. And you can layer this under a blazer or a cardigan. Dress it up, dress it down, or layer it with a necklace. So guys, in review, we have our tea, which says protect my peace. I wholeheartedly agree with protecting your peace for the whole year. We have our vision board kit. This was a dope idea. And we have our budgeting envelope system, which I love. I love this as a starting fresh out for the new year. We have our to-do list, so we can write down our thoughts, ideas, goals, dreams, have a place for it. And we have the laptop sleeve for the month of January's box, starting the new year out, coming out swinging with a bang. I thought this was a dope box for January. Very pleased with this box. Guys, let me know what you thought about this subscription box. Like, what did you like the most? Like, I was so caught off guard by so many things that I've seen in here that I've never received before. So they do a good job of making sure you're not getting the same kind of products in every year's box. I love the variety. I love the idea, just kind of starting fresh, coming out the gate with the vision board, the budgeting envelope system, getting your money right. You got your tea, protect your peace. You got your notepads. Loved everything in this box. So if you have not checked this box out, you can go to izzyandliv.com. You can also purchase products off of their website without having a subscription, and you are able to buy the products that you have seen me displayed. They're always available for sale, but I paid for this box, been paying for this box for a couple of years. One of my favorite box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Please feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. Ding, ding, ding. Help your girl's channel out here. I would love that so much and appreciate it, to help my channel to grow. And your comments and thoughts about the box mean the world to me. So hit me up in the comments below and let me know what you guys think. But for now, until next time, stay warm, stay blessed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!